'cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw
Family. But yeah.
I don't know if I could hear. Right now it's really windy. We're walking on the sidewalk. All the traffic is coming and going. And me not got no mic. You take another spin and pay a shot that they crank up for me. So yeah. But stick around and you get to see how we enjoy our night and what bonfire in the UK looks like.
Yeah.
If you're interested. And yeah, we mightn't get to talk too much in the audio because it's really loud and we play music, there's lots of rides and everything. So
yeah,
bear with me, say. Yeah.
Yeah, they play. Guys, they play weird noises. Sometimes they play weird noises. That is a Rolls Royce.
What?
Mummy, no, that car is a Rolls Royce.
Alexa's super happy. She's been waiting for this bonfire for weeks now.
Yeah.
What I was saying?
I was waiting this whole year. I was even counting down the days.
And guess what? Her birthday is in a couple days, people. She's gonna be 8 years old. She's so beautiful. My baby's gonna be 8. I have a whole 8-year-old. I'm so proud of her. I mean, I know how much I'm gonna say so. I'm really proud of her. You look nice tonight. Who called your hair, girl? Mommy.
Mommy, look at that. Remember you went on that ride last time we were there and you almost screamed your lungs out. Oh my god.
We made it, guys. We're going now walking by the entrance to go in. Those are some of the rides that you're seeing there. Oh my god, that one look crazy. There are actual people up in that, okay? Ciao.
And the spinning one, it's kind of...
Oh, it stopped. Yes, they're selling these things outside. Yes, Lexi, they're on their way.
Oh, so they're not here yet. They're on their way.
How much time for tell her that? She makes me repeat myself over and over and over and over. It's muddy.
I'm trying not to mess up my sweatpants, okay? Okay?
Let's stick on. Thank you. Hey, Annalise. Made it in the bonfire, guys. I don't know if y'all could hear me, but it's pretty loud in here. Look. Usually it'll be full of people.
Daddy, can you get...
Whipper. Usually it will be full of people, but it's quite early still. Yeah, my people who made it in. Usually the picnic and them just go on the rides. I might do 1 or 2. But I'm not really feeling ridish this year. I think I don't try everything. I might want to try that tall one there, but yeah, I know. You're gonna buy. Where gonna buy? Babe? Where going? Oh, kids are going to buy stuff.
The nice
chairs up.
Oh, Avery. Yes, you want it.
That one, yeah.
Yeah. You want the dine? You want this one?
Man, cash it on.
Dinosaur! And the leaf!
Lexi, careful. Careful. Oh, look, it's going up. It's going up. There are people in it. Me that crap my skin if I've been up in that, the man. Oh, Lord. Me not afraid of heights, so me could go in there. But I never.
Last time and she screamed her lungs
I never go in it tonight. But me not afraid of heights, guys. I'm a risk taker, guys. Risk taker. Me just take risk. Me like adventure. Me like the kind of stuff that have fun outdoors. Yeah. Right, feeling it tonight. I'll take a little under the weather.
That's it. Couldn't watch it.
Yeah. Couldn't watch it last day. Where? Huh? Where? Look today. We found her. Make it. Other people with their hair, with their family, waiting for the rest of them to come. Yeah. All right, and then oh, the lights in nice one. Oh gosh. We waiting for the rest of them to come, and then we just gonna enjoy with nights and stick around and get to see. Yeah. I mean, look at Jade. Look at them, look at that one down. I went on that one yeah before that one. That one is crazy, guys. You hear me tell you? Me and my husband went on that one, and trust me, if you got a strong stomach, you will bring it up, okay? Yeah, man. But yeah, so later on in the night, they have this huge big bonfire that everyone gather around and just turn up and watch the fire really. So that's that later. You're going to pay any, sir? You're going to pay any?
No chance.
Why? Come here, you go in that one day. In the big one day. In the booster.
Can I go on that ride with Jaden?
No, Joy, you're not going to pay that one.
Yeah, I went on it last time with Daddy.
You did, yeah, with Daddy, yeah. That one up there, yeah. The place scanty, man. Last year, you couldn't even walk through here. But I don't know because the night's still young. And it's because they may have the fireworks again. They send the place too windy. They can't do the fireworks. So people must say come because of that. But nevertheless, me there have my picture them. Say hi, Annalie. Hi, Avery. Oh, the baby oil full of coal. We got on. I told my husband to hook up in that one. We don't want to go. I'm afraid the cats. Afraid for what anything at them. You are. I can't remember one last time we nearly shite up. Everyone go and look at the bumpy catcher. there's We're supposed to get some change to pay them.
Mommy, I want to go
Oh, let me see your face. This is the scare queen. Yeah!
But look, you enjoy yourself, you put up your hand and you scream.
Remember, I said she ain't cost to do that. Take shout now, Jenny. Them food is so boring. Watch. You lost weight, man. You look good. Let me take a picture of you for the far. Head she up, guys. Head she up. I'm just a joke, eh? It's just a joke. You enjoy the ride, Jamari? Yeah. You enjoy the ride, Annalise? So, Jade, that there we pop up. Okay. And that one, we're going in that one there. Chefy said she can't make it this time.
Oh, pretty. Look at the foot.
She can't make it. Me and Jade are going up in that one, alright? And Chefy, she going. And he's on the phone. You afraid for go? Come on, that one. That one there? Yeah, you have to video me.
Video? What we getting there?
For jump my phone?
Me, I go do it if you afraid.
You're going to jump my phone, you girl. And I got no insurance on it.
She gonna drop it. She did last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. She going.
No, Chef, she can't make it. She can't make it. But how much you got in? Must be 1 cent. The boat thing, that you only thing up in.
Hey, that was shot my boat thing.
For the whole of the ride, man. Annalise, what you doing? Go, Annalise, go! Lexi.
She's trying, oh God, she's trying.
I know why. Send my pin up there, fight too high. She going, guys. She going. Give her a clap. She going. Go, baby, go. I'm watching you. She come on the bed. She coming. She make it, man. She make it.
Yeah!
Come, Annalise.
Oh God,
She was afraid. Come, Annalise. Lexi, we're starting. She says that. Yeah. She's stuck. Kyrie, bring her down. Kyrie, bring her down. Kyrie. Jamal, run out. Go ahead, Annalise. No, she's frightened. She's frightened.
Attention, heads back, the safety belt.
We're going over to the fire, the bonfire now, guys. My little horse, we went for a ride and scream up by daylight, yeah? Okay, not too far, not too far. Oh, sorry. You are walking to the phone camera. Okay, look how much you done burn down. It was a big thing, you done burn it down, you know. So we're done for the night. We can't do it again. We can't do it anymore. We vomit. They had to give me a chewing gum because I was vomiting. A survivor. So yeah, the place getting cold. We heading back home now. We had a good time. The kids enjoy themselves and that is all. The crew going back. The outside crew. We're going back home. So I'm gonna end off the vlog here and I'll catch you all. Let me talk proper English. I'll catch you guys back in the next video, yeah?